Well, it's time for me to get back on the road and go home. I've done just about all that I can do, all that the people needed me to do to this Thunderbird. Still need some detailing and stuff, but it's come a long ways. I did a quickie clean job on the interior, just basically knocking the dust off, but the power windows work, the turn signal works, the horn works. I've got it running and driving a whole lot better. And we'll take it for a spin. There you go. I had to rebuild. I had to rebuild the brake master cylinder on it. I couldn't get a rebuilt one. Here you go. I've driven it quite a bit, and I've taken some of the, driven out some of the old bad gas. Runs and drives real smooth. Here we go, let's put these windows down. Film the window. And that other side.
It's a little close.
Yeah. We need ourselves a good video crew. I've driven the car about 40 miles. I don't know if you can hear it, but it sounds like it's got a bit of a camshaft in it. Oh, it's awesome. And it's all original. It's still a little cold. It's a beautiful area. Time I drive it up into the mountains. It's done everything I've needed it to do. It's a real pleasure to work on. Wish I had time to really detail it out. I guess I could use the turn signals that I've been talking about.
Turn here if you want.
Yeah. Put those mountains over there if you can.
It's hard to see how it comes through the screen.
Yeah, that's what's tough. Is this the right street to turn down?
Yeah.
This thing drives like a dream.
I know. I hope she lets me drive it now that it's all fixed.
Somebody needs to be driving it. It sure doesn't need to sit that long. You know, for this car to run this good this easily, that meant that it ran and drove real good when it was parked. Obviously. Of course, when you got power window issues and turn signals not working and it won't pass inspection, those are things, not driving it, that's what happens. pretty low on gas. They'll need to get some gas for it. Ooh. Alrighty.
This thing is smooth, isn't it?
Yeah, it doesn't rattle or anything really. Awesome car.
Say goodnight, Danny.
That's what I like. Oh, my primitive videos. It's got 3 of the original hubcaps in the trunk, and it had some wire basket hubcaps. But this is what my little strike job is all about. I like it. Thanks for watching.